Hey guys, happy Saturday. It's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. This time we're demonstrating a Wollensak 8075. This comes from Ken in Aberdeen, Maryland. Ken sent me his 8055 about a month ago, and I guess he's impressed with my work because now he sent me his 8075, also for motor replacement. That's the most common failure item on the Wollensaks is the motors failing. So let's go ahead and pop in some Neil Sedeka and make sure everything works before we send her back. Make sure we got both speakers. Okay, we'll just go ahead and let the make sure we got no crosstalk between songs. Proper head adjustment. Let's check the auto eject. There we go, auto eject. So that takes care of that. We got playback, we got track change, we got counting, we got proper speed, we got auto eject. Everything is groovy. This is a pretty short test. There's not a whole lot to test on a standalone 8-track player. Just make sure it plays tracks and plays tapes and switches tracks. So to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And if you print a work order, that will tell you all my prices and options, including options for turn times. Also contains my terms and conditions. Every job requires a work order, so if you're serious about sending your new unit in, you might as well go ahead and print one out before I tell you have to print out a work order after you've already seen that on the video. So that's understandable. I mean, I forget a lot of easy stuff too. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Ken, for your repeat business from Aberdeen, Maryland, and we'll see you guys next time.